Greetings once again, my friends, my fellow model builders. I got another update on the EAGLEMOSS situation. Today is October 3rd, and I got an email. This was actually through Google Forms, and it's with the Premium and Collectibles Trading Company Limited, IXO Models by IXO Collections. And I got this from customer service. And the email that I received said, please fill out this form. EAGLEMOSS Collections by IXO Collections. And it went on to say, hello. As we said in our last message, we came to an agreement with EAGLEMOSS UK liquidators to acquire part of their assets. Since we own the tools of several projects that they were distributing, we will help you to acquire the parts, allowing you to finish your collection. Could you please give us by return all the information about the models you are currently building in which you have missing parts? This will help us send you briefly a detailed offer to receive these parts. With best regards, Premium and Collectibles Trading Company Limited, IXO Models. So I had clicked the link, and I was directed to the Google Forms to IXO Collections. And again, the headline was, as we said in the last message, we came to an agreement with EAGLEMOSS. And it's going to say the same thing that is said in the email. But this is going to go on to ask you questions. It's going to ask you your email address. It's going to ask you different things, your name, obviously. I put in my email address, my name, Jerry Bourget, my address, my postal code, and my country. Then it's going to ask you the model you were working on, so I put Build the U.S.S. Enterprise NCC 1701D. And it wanted a subscription number. So I didn't have that. I figured it was the customer number, so that's what I put anyway. I put the customer number, and that's on the receipts that I received with each shipment. Then it's going to go on to ask you the last issues received. And the last issue I received was number 20, shipment 20, and that had stages 75, 76, 77, and 78 in it. And then it'll go on to ask you questions about other models. But since that's the only one that I had, that was the only model that I had put information for. And then when you're done, you click submit, and you can hit send a copy of my response to my email address. So I had clicked submit, and you actually get an acknowledgement. IXO Collections, EAGLEMOSS Collections by IXO Collections. Your answer has been registered. And you can see this form was created inside IXO Collections. And you can see you can edit your response, so you can submit another response. So hopefully this nightmare of this build is going to be coming to an end soon. Not nightmare of the build, the nightmare of the whole situation, where just about more than halfway through the build, all of a sudden the company is bankrupt. So that's the latest on the issues that we have for the EAGLEMOSS Build the U.S.S. Enterprise. And again, the last issue that I received was number 20. And that had stage 75 parts. It was the secondary hull, or parts of the secondary hull. And of course, there was another section of the bottom of the primary hull with the edge. And stage 76 was another part of the pie plate for the bottom of the primary hull. 77 was more escape pods and sections for the bottom of the primary hull, a saucer section, as was stage 78. So that's what we got as of right now. I submitted all the information to IXO Models, and I'm very much looking forward to finishing off this model, this build, to get her built once and for all. But my friends, that update is as of October 3rd, 2022. And I wanted to give you guys this brief little video informing you of what was going on. And as soon as I hear from IXO models with the offers and all the prices and what's available, I'll share another video for you guys just to keep you informed. So I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.